Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create site in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, now you will need just to go to your setup uh, area or setup menu, and you will find it if you are already on your home. You will find it here in this lightning bolt gear icon, which is the setup menu. You click on setup, and it will redirect you to the setup page. So from here, you can find the setup home, and basically what we are interested in is the sites. And all you need to do is to type domain, and basically you will find the company settings, and from here you will find my domain. And here you will need just to add your own domain so you can be able to have your own site. And I'm just going to click on edit on my domain settings, and from here you can type your own domain and then check for the availability. So for example, it can be, I don't know, domain, and then you will need just to type on check availability, and then you will see that is taken or cannot be used already. So basically, if you already have a domain, you won't have this problem. So basically, you will need just to add your domain, and after that, you can have the suffix for your domain too, and it will be as a subdomain. So basically, your new domain URL will be the name of the domain, and then you will have your mysalesforce.com as your subdomain. And basically, after that, all you need to do is to type save or click on save, and then you can start proceeding on the other uh, things or the other settings like the routine and policies, etc. But what is most important is to have this one that would be changed, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.